I gotta clean this shit. Fuck! Now I have to do this shit again. Alright, I have to do this shit again. Wait. Ah! Where am I? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, God! Oh, what the hell? No! Hey! What the hell are you doing? I can't breathe. You can't speak? Eddie Man never speaks. Cut. Yes, I can. What the hell? What are you doing? Wait, no. No, that's not happening. What are you grabbing? Oh, no, please, God. God, thank you. What are you doing? Don't. No.